Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Seesaw Family app so that you can communicate with your student's teacher and view your student's work. So this is what you would want to do if you're trying to work on an iPad or a tablet or a computer. So first what you're going to need to do is go to the App Store and type in Seesaw. Now when you do this, two different apps will actually pop up. You will see the Seesaw class app is first, and it says for students and teachers. That is very important because this is not the app that you want. This is what your students have and what your student's teacher has to do their work. But you actually will need to go to the second app that says Seesaw Parent and Family for parents and caregivers. This is what you'll want to be able to communicate and view your child's work. So you're going to download it. I'm going to open it because I already have it. And you are going to open the app and you are going to create a family account if you do not already have one. So this will give you a QR code. You will get a QR code from your handout. Your student's teacher can also send you an email invite, but most of them will give you this little QR code. So you just have to hold up your camera and scan it like I just did. So it says to connect to the student's journal, and I'm going to create an account. You're going to type in your first name, sample, and your last name, and then your email. So I'm going to type in my email and then your password, and then you're going to create your account. So I already have an email set up, but when you do that, it'll automatically bring you to your page. So I'm going to log in with my email, and then it'll bring me to my student's page. So now I'm in my student's page, and now I can see their work. So it automatically pulls me up to see all of the assignments they have completed. So I see their work, and I can go to their journal, and I can click, and I see that my student is a part of 2 classes, so I can click between classes. I see that in the sample class they have done stuff, but in the other class, in the Hovius class, they have not completed any work. So I can go to their journal again. So when you go to the home page, it shows you all of their work combined. But if I want to see it separated by class, I will go to their journal and click on their name and click between classes. You can also, if you have more than one student, you can add another child by clicking your name and click Add Child's Journal, and you would need to scan in another QR code from your other child's teacher to connect between them. If there are any messages from your teacher, you're going to click Inbox, and I see that Ms. Hovius has sent a message out, so I can send a message back to Ms. Hovius. I can upload a video, a drawing, a photo, I can send her a link, a note. So I can send all of that through the messages. And if I have any notifications, so if I see that my student completed some work, then it'll show up in my notifications. So that is really the basics of the Seesaw Family app. The really important thing is you need to know that you need to get the family app and not the class app, because this is what you'll need to use to communicate with your teacher. So if I need to send a message to my teacher, my student's teacher, I just click the inbox, and then I can message Miss Hovius this way, or I can respond to the messages. I can upload things just like I showed you. So there's only really 3 things that you need to go between. You can also add a child through the side as well if you go to the journal, so you can add another QR code there, so you can have all of your children on the one app. You just have to go and click your name and you'll see all of your students there. So I hope this helped, but that is just the basics of how to use Seesaw, the app, on your phone, tablet, or iPad.